Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, very interesting price action on the Dow Jones at the moment. So, we have two red pin bars here off a moving average, also off a level, and pretty much this area here, it's very congested. So, not an exact science, but I suppose if I really wanted to be exact, I could highlight that and you'll see it'll be fairly good. But anyway, don't really want to nitpick on the level. The level is in this zone. It's quite a big zone. We're still trending down though. The monthly ended up with fairly large tail on the top, but so did we do that the month before. Now, if you look at the 3 hour, you'll see trend is still to the downside at the moment. Okay, and we're not talking about the daily trend. We are talking about a micro trend on the 3 hour. So we got below, let's give you the level. So we got below this area here and tested it, which is 26,641, tested it twice, and we're now bouncing around quite violently here. I'm still not looking for shorts on this. It is lagging behind on the S&P. As far as I'm concerned, this is a potential double bottom here. So I would just adjust this level here, and I really would start looking at trading this at a break above 26,570. Okay, so if I compare this to the S&P offers us a lot more opportunities to buy into. This one is a bit all over the place. So the Dow to me is a little bit topsy-turvy, so it's very volatile. It's big up, big down, big up, big confusion. And we're still trending below the moving average here. So I'd like to see a break and a retest of this area here, 26,570, and then I'd start looking for a long, and preferably targeting the previous highs, 27,177, until we get through there. I think that's going to be a tough nut to crack. I want to check on the 8 hour. Now, we may get through it slightly and then sort of pick up one of these other two levels here. So then it would be 27,346 and 27,445. Okay, but looking at the 8 hour, I can see pin bar, engulfing bar. So there is merit that we could be seeing a potential move back to the upside. And you can see what else is happening here on the 8 hour. We are testing the bottom of this trend line. Okay, so if a trend line holds, that's the targets we're expecting. If this trend line gives, then I'd start looking at shorts on this market. For now, I'm sitting on the sidelines. I see better value on the S&P. There's much better structure on the S&P at the moment than there is on the Dow Jones. So I'm not interested in trading this until we get through 26,570. I'm not interested in shorts. Daily trend is to the upside. So that's pretty much my plan of action at the moment. So if we break through 26,570, then I will look at this. And you'll see this trend line here will coincide with the break as well. So break up, bounce off the top here, down, test this, and then break through the trend line. That's another scenario that I may take on. Okay. So, yeah, so for me, just a wait and see. Nothing confirmed here that I need to look at for longs. You can see we're just playing up and below the moving average at the moment, not really going anywhere, going sideways right now. Okay, so that's my plan of action on the Dow. Really just watching this level here, 26,570. Get through that. I'm long, and I'm targeting the previous highs. Stop will be below whatever swing low happens, which is currently 26,365, so probably around 26,350 area. Okay, so that's me on the Dow Jones, Wall Street. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.